Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Think Different Television. Here we are with linear measurement part 2. Okay, this part, 5, 6, 7, 8. See my cursor right here? These ones without a picture, that's what we're going to do. Because sometimes in geometry, they don't give you a picture. Oh my goodness, what are we going to do? No problem. So 5, 6, 7, 8, pause the video and write that down. Alright, cool, here it is. Notice I put the instructions up there too. If you don't have the instructions, pause the video and write that also. So we got 5, 6, 7, and then boop, 8's down there. Okay. So, first thing you got to do, criteria for success, is you got to draw a picture. When you do not have a picture in geometry, always draw a picture. So, what does it say? So, we'll look at the instructions. S is between R and T. So, draw a picture. R, T, and then S is somewhere in the middle. Who knows? It could be anything because there's an infinite amount of points on this line segment. Let's put S here. Okay, now let's label. Step 2, let's label. RS is 5x. Doesn't matter where you put it, top or bottom. ST is 3x. And then RT is 48. This whole thing is 48. Okay, so now we're right back where we were in the first video. So now I have my picture, and so now I just have to solve for x and find RS. So I always go back to my instructions, make sure I answer the whole question. If I just found x, I get half the problem wrong, I get 50%. No. That's not happening. We better than that. So RS and ST combined, this and this, equal the whole thing, RT. So RS plus ST is equal RT. Everything I write, you write. So that would mean it's 5x plus 3x equals 48. 5x plus 3x is 8x, combined like terms, whoop, equals 48. 8 times what is 48? Yeah, 6. 8 times 6. Okay, so what do we need to do? Find RS. That's the last thing. So, whoop, there we go. Here's RS. 5 times 6 is going to be, yeah, RS equals dirty. Any units? Nope, no units for this one. So RS is, line segment RS is 30 and X is 6. We got it. Okay. Number 6, let's do it. First things first, draw a picture. Criteria for success, draw a picture. S is between RT. This is the same for all these 4 problems. So R here, T here, S is an infinite amount of points. Let's pick S. I don't know, right here. Doesn't really matter. As long as the picture is following what the instructions tell us. RS is 2x. ST is 5x plus 4. And RT is 32. So RT, this whole line segment, is 32. Okay, now we're back to the beginning. Pause the video so you can come up with your equation. Yeah, let's see if you got it. So RS plus ST is going to equal RT. So RS plus ST equals the whole thing, RT. So 2x plus 5x plus 4 equals 32. Whoop! Put a line right down there. Okay, let's combine like terms. 2x plus 5x, 7x. Don't forget that plus 4 equals 32. What am I going to do next? Yeah, subtract 4 from both sides. 7x equals 28. Yeah, you can divide by 7, but you can do it in your head. 7 times what is 28? Yeah, that's 4. Or 28 divided by 7 is also 4. Cool. Okay, so x is 4 for number 6. What do we need to do? Yeah, find RS. So, here you go. So I can plug it in here or here in the picture. It doesn't matter. So, RS is 2 times 4, which is, yeah, 8. RS is 8, and X is 4. There we go. All right. 2 more to go. Let's see if we can do it. Doing good so far. First things first, what do we do? Yeah, we draw a picture. So RT, and then S is somewhere in the middle. Okay. Now let's label. Step 2, label. 6x is RS. ST is 12. Excuse me. And then RT, the whole thing, gonna be 72. Cool. Okay, write down your equation. What do you got? Yeah, 6x plus 12, RS and ST equals 72. Ready, set, solve it. Go. What do you get? 6x equals 60. 6 times what is 60? That would be 10. Yeah. Then let's plug it in here. RS is 6 times 10, which is 60. Excuse me. So RS is 60 and X is 10. Got it. Last one. See if you can draw the picture. Pause the video. Yeah, you get it? This one's hard because what does this symbol mean? This symbol right here, the equal with the little squiggly on the top, this is congruent. Make a note to yourself. Congruent means what? Yeah, same size, same shape. So let's draw our picture again. So you have R, T, and then S is somewhere in the middle. In this case, it's exactly halfway in the middle because RS and ST are congruent. So I can make one mark here and one mark here. So that means that this and this is congruent. If I want to make 2 marks, that's okay too. As long as the marks match up, you good. So if I make 3, 3, whatever. Okay, so I'm making 2 here, same thing. So RS is 4x. RT is 24. So what are we going to do? So we need to find x. So if this is 4x, what is this over here? Because they're congruent, right? This and this is the same shape, same size. So if this is 4x units long, what is this going to be? Oh yeah, also 4x since they're the same. So my equation is what? 4x plus 4x, or 4x times 2, equals 24. Got it. Okay. 4x plus 4x is 8x, 24. X equals 3. Boom. And then plug it into RS. 4 times 3 is 12. So RS is 12 and X is 3. ST is also 12. 12 and 12 equal 24. That makes sense, right? 12 plus 12, 24. Cool. All right. Last couple. Let's go. Let's go. So I have my instructions right there. Here's yours. 9, 10, 11, 12. What do you got? Pause the video, write them down. All right, cool. Let's see what we got. Boom. Let's do first one. Okay. Find the value of the variable and yz if y is between x and z. Okay. So x and z here. And y, x, y, z. Okay, that makes sense. Y right there. So x, y, z. xy is 5p. yz is just p. And then xy is 25. It says this is 25. Cool. Okay. So I need to find yz and p, the variable. Okay. So look, if this is 5p and this is 25, let's double check to make sure I wrote it down right. Yeah, xy has got 2 values. Okay, that makes sense. Why? Because 5p is 25, so that's just 5p equals 25, because those are the same, right? 5 times what is 25? P equals 5. Hello. If I want to divide by 5, I can do that. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then I want yz, because that's what it wants in the instructions. So that's going to be just p, so that's going to be 5 also. Boom, boom, 5, 5. There you go. Okay, next one. See if you can do it. Set it up. Pause the video. Go. Yeah, let's see if you got it. X, Z, and Y is somewhere in between. So XY is 12, YZ is 2G, and XZ is 28. Bam. 2g plus 12 equals 28. Subtract 12. 2g equals 16. Divided by 2. G is 8. What else we got to find? YZ. So 2 times 8 right there is 16. There you go. All right, last one. Here you go. We're gonna leave the last one for the exit quiz, number 12. We're gonna do number 11. Okay. Pause the video, see if you can get it. All right, let's see what you got. I'm gonna go fast on this one. X, Y, Z. So XY is 4 meters. YZ is 3 meters, and 4M. I guess M is the variable, and then XZ is 42. So that would mean that 4M plus 3M, this plus this, equals 42. 7M equals 42. 7 times what is 42? That would be 6. Hello. And then YZ, 3 times 6, which is 18. There you go. Cool. All right, nice job. Move on to the practice and the exit quiz. Good work, everybody. See you next video.